Okay, he's here now. I ain't got the ring doorbell, so I'm just going downstairs to let him in.
You don't have the radiator on. It's only on for about 2 hours, was it?
About that, yeah.
What is that?
Just some videos I was watching. So does that down what songs he wants to get, or?
Hey, Christian, anyway. Do you know how to spell him?
C-H, is it?
Yeah, R-I-S.
Or I-S?
T-I.
T-I.
A-N.
Christian Team?
Yeah.
Christian Bale.
Was there much people at it, or
A couple, yeah.
putting your seats, ways?
No, but everyone like sit in their place, so did.
Everyone did?
Yeah.
Yours?
Yeah, we got the back row suited.
The very back?
Yeah.
Oh, well. Bastard.
God, did you jump? I had to expect the unexpected.